Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear viewers, welcome back to Shikdar School. Dear viewers, today I shall share you a new phrase that is as well as. That means সেই সাথে অথবা এটাও ওটাও। ওকে, লেটস গেট স্টার্টেড। মেয়েটি সুন্দরী এবং বুদ্ধিমতী ও
The girl is beautiful as well as intelligent.
সে একজন ভালো শিক্ষক, ভালো লেখকও।
He is a good teacher as well as good writer.
He is a good teacher as well as good writer. আমি আপেল খেতে ভালোবাসি, কমলা খেতেও ভালোবাসি।
I like to eat apple as well as orange.
আমি আপেল খেতে ভালোবাসি, কমলা খেতেও ভালোবাসি। I like to eat apple as well as orange. আচ্ছা, আমার ভাই আছে, বোনও আছে।
I have brother as well as sister.
আমার ভাই আছে, বোনও আছে। I have brother as well as sister. আমি আমার মাকে ভালোবাসি, বাবাকেও ভালোবাসি।
I love my mother as well as my father.
I love my mother as well as my father. আমি ইংরেজি ভালোবাসি, গণিতও ভালোবাসি।
I love English as well as math.
I love English as well as math. আমার বাবার বাইক আছে, গাড়িও আছে।
My father has a bike as well as a car.
My father has a bike as well as car. আমার মোবাইল আছে, কম্পিউটারও আছে।
I have a mobile as well as computer.
I have a mobile as well as computer. Dear viewers, thank you for watching our today's video. See you again in the next video. Bye bye.
Bye.